Nice. I think we can get started now. Let's reorganize. Maybe. Okay. Good. Good. Alrighty. So, let's see. First stream with 3 monitors. Let's see how this rolls out. So far, I'm really liking all the flexibility that this is going to offer. So, let's just hope it stays this good. Yes. I like this. All right, cool. Alrighty. I think we're good, maybe. I want to check one last time. All right. I gotta fix these extensions up and shit, but it's all good. What was I just doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, I have to reorganize all this. This looks like crap. And by crap, I mean absolute garbage, so. Oh, wait. Fix my voice up, too. Alright, cool. That's better. Let's see. How are we gonna do this? What did I say I was just gonna do? Oh, yeah. We're going to fix the... Okay, so this looks like actual hot garbage, so... Alrighty. What did I say? Don't go away, though. Alright. So, hello, person who's viewing. This is my first stream with 3 screens, and I'm really loving it. It is really nice, so... Yeah. It's been a blessing so far. Let's see here. Alright, so we need to fix this. I don't want this to be title. Where's the size for main font, title font? Let's try like, I don't know, 60 maybe. Whoops. Maybe one. Damn. One day I'll remember to not get in the wrong, I don't know. Why do I have so many windows open, though? That's never a good sign. Alright. That looks better, but welcome to Snake in Python. I don't know how to center it, though. I think it just places it on there, so I'm going to actually have to center it myself. Welcome to... I might do, like, a welcome to function first, and then a welcome, like, having, like, a welcome to, and then Snake in Python on the bottom or something like that. I feel like that might roll a little bit better. So like welcome to and then Snake in Python. So yeah, I'll probably do that. So we'll have to create 2 functions here. Welcome.
Your screen looks weird without. Your screen looks weird.
Looks weird. Oh, well that's because it looks orangish because
of the settings of the brightness.
Yeah, the brightness settings. I have the f.lux flux. Oh my god, that's a blessing too. By the way, anybody who's watching, you need to get this program called Flux, f.lux. I'll put it in the chat. Flux, f.lux. Gotta get that. Welcome to the SNEC and yeah, you right. Oh, that's actually that was what I was gonna rename it, was to SNEC. Not to Snake in Python. SNEC. SNEC is funnier and it's... Yeah. SNEC. So... You know what? Actually, since we're doing this, I might SNEC. You're right. I like this. I like SNEC better. It's a lot better. I might just roll with SNEC instead. And you know what? Alright, let's see how this looks. Because... Thank you for reminding me of the meme. How could I forget the meme? The meme... Snack! Yes! Oh, that's beautiful. I like that. I like how that looks a lot. Snack. Let's see how we're gonna do this, though. I gotta adjust that, though, because that doesn't... Like, the positioning isn't that good. So, here we go. Title. let's do divided by just 2. Because I don't want it on there, so. Alrighty. And obviously it's not going to close out the first one, so. And I'm also going to fuck that up. Again, like always. Official. Oh boy, yes. Extra memes. Let's see. Oh, I should have only done the... Wait. I said divided by 2. Oh, I'm dumb. I forgot. Alright, so, in case you're new, you don't know. If you don't know, like, Pygame generates it based off of, like, a, it generates the area based off, or the location of it based off, like, a single point on the image, which is the top right corner. So this is actually being generated in the middle, but it doesn't look like it. So I'm going to have to offset that a little bit, actually, so. Yeah, so I'll have to offset this a little bit and not do the width too. So let's close that out and make sure that gets closed. Main. So height, I actually liked at 25, just to the quarter. And this we're going to divide by 3 and see how that looks. What am I doing? Oh yeah, duh. Okay, so I don't like 3. I want it to be more centered, so let's try 3.5. If you're wondering what this is doing, this is actually running, this is putting the position, it's putting the text divided by the width of the entire of the window, which the window is, I think it's 400 pixels. No, it's 500 pixels, so it's dividing 500 divided by, it's just taking 500 right here divided by 3.5, which is going to put it approximately at that location. So, in case you're wondering. So, let's see. Okay, so I just changed that. Let's see what we got here. Let's see how good this does or does not look. Alright. That didn't change much. No, it's because I'm dumb. I should have done 2.5. Not 3. So let's see. So, going to run this. And that looks a lot better. That's much more centered in the center. So I'm going to be running with 2.5. I do want it to come down a little farther though, maybe. How do I want this to do? How do I want this to roll? Yeah, I might just run down at, I'm gonna just go down a little bit. Maybe, yeah, what the hell? Why not? So, maybe... No. If I divide it by 2, it'll be in the middle. So let's do 2.5 also. Let's try that on both, actually. That might work. No. Psych. Okay, that doesn't work like I was hoping it to. Let's try like 5. Alright, this is just going to be guessing game now. Like, I actually don't know which one I want to do. So we're just going to be like jumping back. 5 actually doesn't look bad. But I think I want it up just a tiny bit more. So let's do like 7 or 6. 7 or 6. Fuck it, let's just do 7. And I pushed the wrong one. Okay. Welcome, new viewers. Hello. Glad to have you guys here. We are building Snake. I like the position of that. All right, cool. We're building. Do you know the arcade? I'm looking at the wrong direction. I got a new setup. I got 3 screens finally, and I'm forgetting my camera's over here. It used to be on the other side, so if I look like I'm talking the other way, I'm just dumb. That's all. Welcome to the stream. We're building the arcade game Snake. I think I put that in the title. No, I didn't actually, but we're rebuilding Snake, the arcade game, and we're creating a title scene just in pure Python using the Pygame library. So, And it's just a lot of guesswork at this point. So let's see. 6 or 6. Yeah. Wait, did I actually push 9? You're going to make me question myself. No, I didn't. Okay. I thought I pushed 9 for a second. It's all good. Okay. All right. So we're good there. So now I'm going to have to, what did I do last? Let's see. Oh, yeah, no. Okay. So I like the position of the main title. So the instructions, I'm going to have to make a couple. Now, there's probably an easier way to do this. Honestly, you know what? Hold up. This is actually bothering me, though. How do... I can't pull that off. Can I pull this off? No, I can't pull this off. All right, that's dumb. So I'm going to have to leave it over here. You know what? Just so I don't get confused with myself, though, I'm going to, like, switch these. Okay, hold up. I'm going to switch these windows around because I keep looking at the chat to talk to you guys, but the thing is that the chat isn't there, or like the camera's on the other side. So I'm looking at the chat, but the camera's not there, if that makes any sense, or if it doesn't. All right. Okay, cool. Now, so when I'm talking to you guys, I'm looking. All right. I had to get that figured out. That was bothering me. Okay. So, hold up. I gotta fix this window though, up here on my side. So that way I can see what I'm doing and how it looks and make sure it looks good. So, all right, there we go. Bless. I'm taken care of now for the most part. One day I'll stop getting things adjusted and readjusted. So, let's see. So we've got our title in a good position. Does that look even to you guys? Maybe it's just me. If I back up. If I back up, I can see. That looks even. I don't care. It's close enough. Whatever. This is about the grades, guys. About the grades. So yeah. But it's not an art class, so it's a programming class, so it's okay. Use the arrow keys to control. Alright. Snake and get. Alright, so let's control the snake. I wonder, I don't know if string modifiers will work inside of this. So we are about to find out. If so, I hope, damn it. I hope so. So, basically, if you don't know, the, what is this? /n, if you're looking in a console at least, or like, not in a console, like a gaming console, but like the actual terminal, this, if you're making different lines, using /n will go to a new line. So let's see if that works here too. No, it does not. It just creates a blur. So that's unfortunate. That's going to be more time, I guess. That's unfortunate. Oh, God. I'm regretting. All right, so I'm regretting making these so... I know there's an easier way. You can use just like one function and make this easier, but I was lazy the first time, and I'd have to rebuild this whole thing, so... Instructions, like 1. And then we're going to do instructions 2. And we are actually cheesing the hell out of this right now, guys. We are really cheesing this. So cheesy. Let's see. Scenes.instructions. Alright, so we're going to change this to 1. And then... let's see. So we're going to... Welcome new viewer. Hello. Hello. We are building Snake, the arcade game in Python, if you were wondering. So let's see. Right now we are working on the home screen. So let's see. Instructions 2. Alrighty. And main dot black again. Now, this is going to be goofy as balls, I know. Okay, so width, we want it to be the same width, I think, but height, we want it to be like a little bit lower, so. Here we go. You know what? Just in case, I know some of you guys are new, just so you can see the game we're actually making. I've already created the core game, so I'll go ahead and play it. This is actually the core game that we're making. It's just like a Snake clone. I'm just working on the home screen, but if you guys wanted to see what we're doing here, this is actually what we're doing. And I'm not good at Snake, so judge me. Judge me, it's okay. Or don't judge me. That would be friendly, but if you judge me, that's okay too. Because I did kind of sign up for being judged because I am doing this on the internet, so. Let's see, so. My high score, I can't remember what my high score is. I think it's like 40 something, but whenever I die, it'll show me what my high score was. Okay, my high score is 51, so, you know, that is what it is, so. Wait. Is it working? Is it working on Twitch? Are you guys able to watch on Twitch? It was frozen for me, and now it says I'm offline. Oh, is it buffering? Okay, no, sorry. Okay, I thought it was frozen. It was frozen on my side for a second. I'm sorry. Okay, so yeah, my high score is 51. All it does in that regard is it actually just writes to a text file. If you're curious and you know kind of know already, it just writes whatever your high score is to a text file, and then it just reads it in the main somewhere. Oh yeah, it just reads it right here. So if you're interested, I don't need that open anymore. So I guess we can get back to our scenes. Let's see, how did this look again? I think that looked kind of funky though, if I remember correctly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so this does look kind of funky. Use the arrow keys to control the snake and get as many dots as possible. So I'm gonna have to practice for the third one. I wish I wasn't lazy. I might refactor this into just one single function off camera because that's boring. This is the more interesting part. I do all the boring shit off camera. I know you guys don't want to see boring shit, so. Or if you think this is interesting. I think it's interesting, obviously, but let's see. Three. How far did it go to? If edge or your, okay, own tail, then you lose. X. Alrighty. And I don't want that. And main dot black for the color already. I might change the colors up though, because black and white just looks very boring. I know I already said, is that mine? Is this, what? Okay, no. I couldn't remember if I had, sometimes it does that. Sometimes Pygame gets a little funky, or not Pygame, sometimes Visual Studio Code gets a little funky, so. Message is not defined. What do you mean it's not defined? Oh, wait, which one did it say it was for? Let's see, in 29. Alright, scenes 29. Wait, what? Oh. No. I forgot. Alright, guys. This is why, like, Python frustrates me to death because of these, like, the indents. Like, I'm used to, like, I do C++ practice, too. I'm used to, like, that in JavaScript and all that, where the spacing doesn't matter. Like, you know, you can have as much white space. Like, that wouldn't... I'd have went back and... I don't know. It's just actual first world problems, that's all. So, you know, it is what it is, I guess. Let's see here. Oh, I forgot to edit that. So let's see, let's put this down a little bit. Width divided by... Oh, no. 8 divided by... Oh. Actually, no, this 2 is already really high, so we're gonna do like 2 point, I don't know, 8 or no, 7. I said 8 and then typed 7. And then we'll do 2.5 here and see how this works. I really like C# too. C# is really good, very generic, not generic, but general programming language. C# and plus Unity uses it too. C#, I really like C#. I agree with you there. C# is probably my favorite just general programming language. If I'm using C++, it's for like games, because you know it works better on hardware and whatnot. But like general programming, I agree, C# is better, or it's my favorite personally, and even used in like some backend, like the backend of some websites and stuff. I know one of my friends was using. I use JavaScript in the backend of my websites, but one of my friends used C#. It's good for that too, if you get your scripts in there. ASP.NET is definitely powerful. Okay, back to what I was doing. Let's see. That actually looks like, I like the spacing there for the most part. Now I just need to get it at the right width. So, arrow keys to control the snake and get as many dots as... Although the spacing, oh gosh, the 80, or no, OCD, wow, I completely misspelled that. The OCD in me is going to want to make these spaces better, so let's do that first. So, function 3 is going to probably need, maybe 2.6. Just a wild guess. What are you guys texting me? I have friends? Oh no, I don't care. Okay. It's not important. It wasn't for me. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, 2.6 is the wrong way. So, whoops. Let's try 2.75, maybe. What? What? Oh. Oh no, that's why. Duh. 2. You know what? I just want to make sure I get my bearings in the right location. This is a good song, by the way. Let's see is my Spotify plugin working? It is. Great song. I like Pegboard Nerds. Okay, let's see. They've got some good stuff that I really enjoy. Let's try 2.47. Let's see. Because this little OCD space is going to kill me. Oh, we're getting so close. 2.4. You know what? Let's just do 2.5. Let's just go for it. There we go. No. 2.47 was better. And this didn't close the first time. Alright. How about 4? What did I say? 2.45, I think? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, that works. Actually, I think this works. And then, okay, so underneath it, let's see. I don't know how to implement buttons. I've been thinking about adding like buttons on here to where like you can have different types of difficulties. It depends on how difficult it is to implement though. So I might just do like, just for now actually, I'll add it to where you can push like, there'll be 3 different types of, okay, so there's going to be 3 different types of difficulties, and that's just going to increase the speed of the snake, that's all. But I'm going to finish centering this up. Let's see, alright, so function 2 probably could come to the width come a little bit more to the side. So let's see, function 2's width, 8, if we just do 10. Alright, let's see. I wish there was like a live viewer, but I don't have that. Okay, so let's try 12. We're almost there. We're getting closer. Very, very close, my friends. Very close. Where's it? Oh. Okay, I like that. Oh, actually, that's almost good. So let's see. And this, if this moves about a quarter, so let's try 0.25 for this last one. No, so a quarter. Hell, 4. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Or judge me. Nice neck. Thank you. I appreciate it. My friend, I was going to name it something boring and generic like Snake and Python or some bullshit like that, but my friend said to name it Sneck. So, you know, I'm almost ashamed I didn't think of it first, to be honest, but it's okay. I thank him. If he's still watching. I don't know if he's still watching. He might have got bored. Okay, I think he's I don't know if he's on or not. But yes. Thank you. I'll tell him. I will tell him. What was I doing? I got sidetracked. I get sidetracked a lot. Oh, no, that's the wrong way. Divide by like 2. I need to divide by 2, I think. I'm actually 3. Well, we'll just try. Let's just try 1.9, actually. I'm just kind of throwing numbers out in the open here, to be honest. That's like, okay, yeah. Psych. Okay, that's not going to work. I'm just trying to figure out something that works. So, that means 2. How about 3? God, I wish it... I need to close the other one. All right, so we're getting very close. So maybe 3.2, maybe? I'm going to shoot for 3. I'm going to put my money on 3.2. And then we can actually get to some fun logic. Yes, I like that. How does that look, guys? What you guys think? I think that looks pretty centered. I think it looks pretty centered. Oh yes, he is here, by the way. Welcome. Yeah, I think that's pretty centered. What you guys think? Nice. I like how this looks. Okay. I'll change. I'm gonna worry about the colors later. This is just like a template for now, so we're gonna work with that for the moment. And all right, so now we need to change. This is going to be in an if statement. So FPS equals, we're just going to set it equal to 0. And in here, let's see, in the main while intro. All right, so I'll get some, oh wait, no. Where should I put this? Probably could have done without one of those. If, no. Oh, no, I can just add on to here, actually, if event is key down. And we're actually not going to change. Okay, so, all right, we're going to do 1 here. We're going to do 1 and main.fps equals. All right, so main, or so 1 will be the easiest step. Hello, welcome to the stream. I'm glad you've stopped by. If you're interested, we're making Snake, like the arcade game Snake in Python. And I'm actually about to show you guys. Like, if you haven't seen me play it yet, don't judge me, I'm bad at it. But I'm still making it. So for easy, we're gonna run it maybe 15 frames per second. And then we're gonna actually add another if state, if event.key equals key. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Pygame.k underscore 2, then we're false, and main.fps equals, we'll do 25 for average, maybe 20. Yeah, I think that works. That actually, no, I'm just number guessing. If event.key equals pygame.k under 3, this is gonna be the hardest. Intro equals fall. This is gonna be the hardest difficulty. .ps equals. Should we keep all the way up to 30? Yikes, 35 is gonna be difficult as fuck, but it's okay. And then FPS equals 0. This could, let's see. We're just gonna declare it without actually giving it a number. And let's see how this works. Actually, no, we can still give it 0. I'm dumb. I'm real. I promise I know what I'm doing. Maybe, kind of. All right, so let's just test this out and cross your fingers, my dudes. All right, as soon as it pops up. All right, cool. And now it doesn't say on the screen yet. I haven't made anything, but I'm just going to push 1 for the slowest. Anything? No? What? What? Oh, yes. Yes. All right, cool. So we do have, at least it did work for the easy setting. So this is running at 15 frames per second. This is the slowest difficulty that I've got in right now. I'm bad at this game. Actually, kind of, yeah. So, yeah. You know what? This is good enough right here, but we'll just end it here. But, yeah. So, okay. So, that's good. We do have a work... Alright, so we have the easy difficulty working. So, let's run at... This does not work. Sometimes. Sometimes Visual Studio Code does this, and it's annoying. Alright, cool, though. Alright, so let's try 2 now. Oh, yes! Alright, so good. So we do have a working medium difficulty, which this is a little faster. I'm actually almost scared to try 35 frames per second because it'll show that I'm actually not good at video games. Alright. And then we're going to try it one more time. And we're going to try it on the hard setting, which is 3, which I will have to add a declaration in the thing. Alright, cool. Oh, no, I didn't push the right button. Let's try 3. Oh my gosh. Yikes. Okay, you didn't... You ever buy apps on Flip? I do not. Actually, you know, I don't really use many phone apps, to be honest. I mean, I just use Facebook, Twitter, Reddit. I used to play a lot of phone games and stuff, but I just don't play them as much anymore. Hello. Welcome to the stream. We are building the arcade game we're building the arcade game Snake in Python, and I will show you the game. I will test again. So let's see. This is the medium difficulty. I haven't set it. Why isn't it working? Okay, there we go. I haven't set it up yet, but I'm gonna have to make it say on the screen. Okay, so I'm actually really bad at video games, kind of. So, cool. So, we just got a working difficulty meter, so that is really good. That is really good. I figured for some reason I had in the back of my head, I felt like something was not going to work. But it worked, so I feel very confident now that I at least kind of know what I'm doing. Kind of. So, now we're going to need to define a, define the difficulty, what should I call this? It's not really like choosing, but it's more of along the lines of, yes, this is in Python. It's like a scripting language, really. Interpreted language. It's a scripting language. I assume that's what you mean by coding. I've been telling myself for ages I'm gonna make an app on the App Store, but I actually haven't yet. I've said it for literal years though, but I just haven't gotten around to it for no other reason than I just am kind of lazy. But let's see. Equals main font. Actually, you know what? We could probably again. Thinking of game ideas and trying to figure out how. Unreal Engine. I love Unreal Engine. If you like Unreal Engine, yes, I love Unreal Engine. That's the engine that I usually try to do stuff in. This is for schoolwork. Yeah, if you're trying to become a game designer, I definitely recommend just, yeah. Yes, congratulations. I hope you do that. I hope you do that. Good luck with that. Just, yeah, keep me in the fill. I want to know how that goes, actually. Unity is also a great engine. Both of them are really good. Don't ask me which one is better because they're both really good. I prefer Unreal because I like C++, but Unity, like, I like just coding in C++. It's such a challenge. I love a challenge, you know? But yeah, they're both really good. They're both really good. I hope the MMORPG works out. Definitely keep me in the loop because I want to hear about it. I want to hear how this goes. Yeah, exactly. The best way to learn is literally just start doing it. You're gonna go in and you're not gonna know anything when you first start out. Everybody starts like that. just keep being persistent. So yeah, definitely, I highly recommend it. Yeah, it's such a rewarding experience, especially after you get your first game. After you build that, you're like, wow, this is so cool. Like, I actually made this. So definitely do that. Keep me in the fill. I want to hear how this works out for you. So yeah, and plus I'll be doing some Unreal Engine more later when I'm not in the middle of like finals like this. So checklist of what to think of, like UI, customization, skills, team play, and all that stuff. Yes, actually, there's a website I recommend. It's called Dundoc, hold up, dundoc.com. All right, I'm gonna put it in the chat. I highly recommend that website. It's great for making game design documents. My friend and I are actually working on something where we used dundoc.com, and it's a great way to organize all your thoughts and all your information and have it on a good, like, on something. I don't know how to explain it, but yes, game design documents must. And I like Dundoc. That's what I use. That's what my friends use. Highly recommend it. It's good for, getting your ideas out and concrete, and obviously it can change too as necessary. That's a given, but definitely check that out. Yeah, I appreciate it. Make sure you give me a follow. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna follow beg, but if you do, I appreciate it, but it's okay. Let's see, game display.blit. Yes, pancakes. They're an all-time of the day meal. Always go for pancakes. Main.width divided by 32. Height. Oh, no. I'm just gonna actually leave these as 0 for now. And if you're using Unreal, thank you. I appreciate it. That makes my day right there. I appreciate that. So what kind of do you have an idea of what you want to specialize in game development, or are you just trying to learn just everything at this point? Like, I don't know if you have a specialty yet that you know of, but God, I'm getting a little hot, a little warm here. Let's see, where do I want this? Actually, I might do this in a smaller font. Equals pygame.font dot this font. Oh, whoops, none. Actually, I think this is where you change the fonts. I was looking around the API. Okay, that's okay. A good bet. Just this is what I've been told by, because actually we had some guys come in from Sledgehammer Studios. Like, they just got done making the new Call of Duty Warfare, or the new Call of Duty World War II. They came in and gave like a seminar. I mean, they could only give us so much because they were under an NDA, so they couldn't explain like how they made the game. But some advice is that a lot of people, if you go into just straight coding, it's kind of like, it also provides a backup. So if you do like coding, engine development, that kind of stuff, you kind of have a backup just in case, like, you get out into the games industry and you're like, and you really find out you don't like it, you can always go out and get a job as a software engineer somewhere. So that's just my take on it. So, but you can still, I mean, I'm not saying you won't like it. I'm just saying that, like level design, a level designer is really cool. All that stuff, or, just over, I don't know. Actually, I'm kind of just rambling at this point, but, yeah, just C++ is definitely difficult, though. I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely difficult if you don't have any, okay, yeah. It's difficult if you don't know what you're doing. Or if it's difficult if you're new, but you can still learn it. It can still be a good, a good thing to learn. You can still learn it, don't get me wrong. It's just a little difficult if it's your first one, so. Okay, let's see, I do want to read this. I want, and what I'm looking for contains a lot of team play, character customization, diversity, and some realism. Also, I want to be able to use voice chat while in a party for added teamwork. Right now I play ESO and it doesn't have that feature. That is a really good idea. I really like that. Must for me because it just adds so much extra. Yes, I agree. Voice chat, it's such a double-edged sword because there's toxic people, but at the same time, I've met some of my best friends over voice chats in games and have had some of the best times. So I do agree wholly on that. Voice chats can make or break games sometimes, and yes, I do agree. Especially in team-based games like you're wanting to go for. I definitely highly recommend voice chats. So yeah, so I would, yeah, I agree. I know, I can't remember which codec was really good, but TeamSpeak uses, I mean, I don't know, I don't know if, this is just like for future knowledge, but I know TeamSpeak, whatever codec they use, if it's openly available, I would recommend that one, because for like communication wise, I know that's a really good one. Voices sound really clear with that, so personally, I think so. That's a ways away though, and I don't worry about that now. I'm just kind of rambling on my own, but where do I want this message to display? On the width, I want it to display, I don't know, we're just going to say like divided by 4, just to be generic right now. And then height, we're going to divide by, I don't know, 10. And let's see, functions. And then scenes dot, what is it? Difficulty, press 1 for easy. No, yeah, so actually, you know what? For easy, I'm just gonna go down to like something super easy, because press 1 for easy, 2 for regular, and 3 for hard. Alright, so I'm not sure how this is gonna look. This might look like garbage, actually, but we're about to find out, because that's what this is all about. I broke it. Oh no, I forgot color. Whoops. I forgot to add which color I needed. So for this, we're going to just use black because we're not sure what we want. I'm going to go back though and add some fancier colors. Okay. Anime called Sword Art Online. It's an anime of an MMORPG. Yeah. Now, you know, I've actually never been much into anime. I mean, I know I respect people who are. Don't get me wrong. Like if that's what you're interested in, don't get me wrong. I'm not against it. Personally, I've never been into it, but I have had a lot of friends who've especially when I lived in North Carolina, that watched a lot of Sword Art Online, and they kind of got a lot of ideas. So yeah, yeah, that sounds pretty cool though. Yes, write it, definitely write it down. 100%. I'd definitely say write any ideas you have down, because you never know. Even if you think that you're never going to use it, you never know. You might like come across something one day and you're like, dang, this idea that I had from this one game that I made when I was really young, you know, is like this would work perfectly here. So, you know, yeah, definitely write it down. Let's see what we got going here. I'm breaking everything, so let's just actually restart this. What? Argument 1 must be pygame.surface, not pygame.font.font. Wait, oh wait, did I fuck something up? I might have. What? Messaged. Oh. No, I forgot. Render MSG true. I forgot to finish the render function. RIP, or the render method. RIP, rest in peace. Rest in peace. That's important. if I want things to work correctly. Okay, so, alright, so we need it to go down some more. Oh, I think I actually multiplied or divided too much here. So let's see. I divided by height is 10. So I need to divide by like, what is that? Maybe a third? So maybe 3 here and 4. So let's see. 4 is okay, but I'm gonna go for what's this at? What is the first one? Instructions 2 is at 8. So we're gonna run for width, and then for here we're gonna run 8. So oh no, 4 here, and then width is gonna be 8. So let's try that. I think that might be a little bit better. Okay, not quite actually. This needs to go down farther. Wait, what? I'm so confused right now. I have confused myself, it appears. I have bamboozled myself in the greatness of that. This is not. What is that? Oh, okay, so, alright. I accidentally. Okay, I'm glad that has a backup. Okay, so I have this outlet underneath, right? And my foot, like I was just like moving my foot around and I accidentally hit the power button. But thankfully you have to hit the power button. You have to hold the power button for 3 seconds. So if it wasn't like that, my stream would have just cut right off right there. And that would have been hilarious, but actually kind of devastating. See, I want this to be down here. So like, is it dividing? Maybe I need to divide it just by, if I divide the height by, wait, it's up there. So I need to divide it by more? Maybe? No, less. Let's just try 2 and see where we got. Because I'm not 100% sure. Okay, we're getting somewhere now. So I need to do like 1.2. I need to go something really low. So I need to do like 1.2. 1.2. No. Alright, cool. That was really loud, actually. I don't know if I appreciate that. Ah, yes, there we go. That looks a lot better. Now, for some reason, though, it's not in a smaller font, though. And that's because I typed in main font and not small font, so I'm kind of dumb, actually. So one day I might actually be able to keep track of my collective thought. Okay, that's a little too small. And now the width is all fucked up. Let's see. Small font. We're just gonna run with 20. Yeah. Bless me. I'm not good at UI either. This is blech. Okay, I actually closed the one that I was opened. Damn you, Microsoft. Damn you, Microsoft. Okay, I like that size. That size looks really good. So if we're gonna divide, maybe divide by, this is a third, I think. No. This is, let's try a third. Let's try dividing by 3 for the width. Oh, no. Yeah. Let's see if I actually goof. And where is it? Oh. Alright, so yeah, one day I'll stop actually breaking this. And by breaking, I mean not breaking, but it's whatever. It's whatever. Okay. 3 is too little. So 3.5. It's just number tuning, guys. Number tuning that one day I'll probably maybe get right. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, yeah. I guess I need to change that. I'm still new to the Twitch scene, so I'm gonna have to tune up Nightbot a little bit too. Yeah, I'll have to tune up Nightbot. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if I get this right this time. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Damn it, no! It's slowly and steadily moving. Alright, let's try 4. Damn it. Let's just go for 4. Sooner or later, I will hit this correctly. What? Okay, it's very close. How's this look to you guys? Actually, no. I can tell. We're gonna have to do just a tiny bit more because I'm very picky about this. I am very picky about this. Let's do 3. 4.3. Let's try 4.3. All right. I think I like that. How does that look to you guys? Does that look like I mean, don't judge me by my colors or anything or no, I still see a little bit actually. I'm being very particular about this for no actual good reason, but I mean, I'll still probably get. And why is this not closing these other ones? Please. Okay. Now that I like. But in the meantime, we're going to close out these old ones that for some reason, these old instances that didn't get. What do you guys think? This life, I feel you. 3 a.m., hungry, can't sleep. That's me. That's so relatable. Last night, I got to tell you guys about this goof I made this morning. Okay, all right. So last night I was up to like 4 working on some of my calculus homework. Right. And thank you. All right. I'm glad. Okay. So I was up to like 4 working on calculus homework, and I was in my mind. I was like, I cannot miss it because finals, right? Like we had some practice tests and all that. So I was like, I can't miss it. This is important. And so I went to bed at like 4, and I only had to like be up for a little bit. That's my roommate. Hey Andrew, say hi to Twitch. He said hello. But I ended up accidentally forgetting to set my my timer. So I ended up classes at 10:30, but I ended up waking up at like 11:45, like devastated. I'm like, damn it. I accidentally missed class. I know that sounds so like lame, but it is what it is. Let's see here. I think I'm gonna have to pass on that. He's a little into it. It's all good though. Let's see. Gosh. All right. So now we've got this set up, and I don't know. I accidentally. All right. So I guess the tab was open on the page, and I accidentally refreshed my Twitch page instead of the actual thing. So fuck my life. So. Let's see. That's unfortunate. Okay, so we've got the opening. Let's change the colors. What color would be good for this? What do you guys think would be a good color? I'm thinking maybe like a light gray, maybe background, and then a white text, maybe something like that. Let's see. What is a light gray? I need to look this up actually. The blessing of 3 screens, because now I can just slide the screen over and oh yes, this is wonderful. Alrighty. Color picker. Let's see, a light gray, maybe, actually, or maybe we could make it like a dark gray. I'm thinking more like a dark gray. Yeah, I agree. Like, as soon as I said it, I do agree with you. I need some more contrast. So, I don't want to do full black, because that would just look like the game, and it just kind of look a little weird. So, maybe like a dark gray. So, we'll run dark gray here. So, we're going to have to define dark gray. Dark gray. Guys, I cannot type. All right, so 96, 96, and I forgot the comma. 96, and so nice. And then we're gonna need to run the window.fill, which I think is already actually being run. Yeah, it is right here. So dark, no, dark gray. Good. All right, good night. Thank you. I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you. And I hope to see you guys, or I hope to see you on my next stream. At least 120 apart in RGB. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I do agree with that. I'm no artist though, so you know. So all of your advice is probably better than mine. Wing Nova, you probably have better art advice, like better like design. Like strictly, I'm just like this. If something doesn't look good to me, I'm like, why doesn't that look good? But I don't know why, because I'm a garbage artist. You should have saw my art classes last semester that we had to take. It was garbage. I can appreciate good art, but when it comes to actually doing art, all right. So that's good. How would actually 100? You said 120. I'm gonna go with what you said. So let's do 120 and just like 120, 20. Let's see, because that would be. Oh, wait. Or you know what? What if I... Actually, no, I think I like the 96. 96. Okay, so... And then we can make the... Oh, this is a good song, by the way. This is also, I think, by Pegboard Nerds. Yes! I love Pegboard Nerds, guys. Excuse me. They have such good music. They have really good music. And then the color of all of these... instead of being black, can be white. And I'm just going to copy and paste this because I'm lazy. All right, and see how this works. Okay, I forgot the title, rip. But I think I like that. I think I like the color. I think I like how that looks. Alright, I'm not singing. Or am I? Come on. Although, you know, maybe the actual Snek, the name, maybe that should be in a different color. Maybe like a light green or something. Or actually, you know what? Hold up. What's the color of... Yeah, I might use this green right here for the Snek. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna do that actually. So, and I think it's just green. Yeah, I was just generic and plain and said green. I am in game art design at Art Institute. Oh yes, the Art Institute. I actually was about to go there. Honestly, that was one of the colleges I was considering going to. The only reason I didn't is just really expensive. Green, blue, red. Yeah, no, cool. That's really cool. Which one, if you don't mind me asking? You don't have to answer it, but aren't there more? Aren't there more than just one Art Institute? Yeah, there is. I'm thinking of Art Academy. Yeah, Art Institute. I was about to go to the one in LA, I think, but when I looked at the price, it was a lot for me, and I wouldn't be able to afford that. Vegas. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's really cool, dude. That's really cool. No, that's really cool. I like that. Yeah, I go to a different school. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I think it looks good. I mean, this is a programming class. It doesn't have to have good art technically, as long as it functions. As long as it functions. I have a GI Bill. I do too, but I don't have. Actually, yeah, I do too. I have the GI Bill, but my mom and some of my other family used a little bit of it before me. So, oh, is the green not that good? Oh yeah, you said to do green, blue, red. That green hurts. Okay, I'm glad you were here to inform me because, yeah, my artistic side would have said not good. You said like a green, blue. Like, so let's actually. I'm gonna follow your advice. I don't even know why I'm doing this by myself. RGB. So, like you said, like a green bluish color. You know what? Let's just throw this into the display. This is what I've got right here, by the way. If you're wondering what color picker I'm using, then this is the color picker. You said like a green bluish. You can mock me if you think I'm incompetent. It's okay. I am 100% okay. Maybe something lighter. Okay. All right. This is just gonna like maybe not green. I'm gonna take your word for it. If not green, maybe, what you think for blue? Wait, I remember something about the color wheel. A little bit. Just a little bit from my high school days. What would be good against it? I actually don't know. Maybe like a light blue, maybe? I don't know. On art, yeah, I am. I am when it comes to art, though. I'm not even going to deny it. I'm definitely not an artist. Let's try, you know, we're just going to call this test color. And because I don't know what I want this color to be yet. Triad, maybe. Triad. Okay. What do you mean by triad? Oh, is that maybe, I don't know, actually. I don't know. What do you mean by triad? Is that what I was meaning to say by the color wheel? I'm not sure. I just remembered it. Like, for some reason, I just visualized a color wheel, and I was trying to use that, but I actually remembered that I don't. I'm not that good with art. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we called it test color. I'm just going to try and 80. This looks decent, or I think it looks decent. 199. 25. Try it color. All right, that sounds familiar. That sounds familiar with what you were saying. So, all right, but what you guys think of that? Maybe something like that. Maybe. I think I like the blue, to be honest, but yeah, I think I'm gonna have, I like this blue. I'm gonna keep this blue. I'm gonna add some spacing in here though, because that 2, I don't know, maybe it's just on my screen, but that 2 seems red text, interesting. I might try that. Yeah, let's try the red text actually. I have just straight red, but you know what, fuck it. This is just test. This is, what is today? Tuesday? Oh, for the bottom. Actually, yeah, you're right. Maybe, yeah. So let's see. You know what, fuck it. Let's just try red. I have so many tabs open. Okay, that red's it feels pretty hard. Let's see. Maybe like a softer red, maybe. Like yeah, this is just like 150% red. Let's try something a little softer. Let's see. Almost peachy, maybe. Maybe? I don't know. Yeah. That's pretty hard. Let's see. Let's figure out a peachy color. Peachy? Yeah. Peachy color. Light red. We'll just call it. Oh, oops. Oh my gosh, I can't type. Red equals. Oh my gosh. 250. 135. 35. Nice. So, okay, so actually I'm going to rename this test color to, let's see, test color to light blue. And then the down here as light red. Okay. One day I might get this correct. Oh, that's a little, I could probably go a little bit harder. Ink. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't say that. All right, let's try let's see. Light red. Let's see. I like the 99. Ooh, I like your suggestion. I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, let's see here. What have we here? Load. Whoa, that looks actually, I think that, holy crap, that looks pretty good. Yikes, that looks really good. I like that a lot. I appreciate. No, I think that looks really good, to be honest. It's like, oh yeah, that feels good. This is cool. I like this. This is hot. Actually, I'm gonna take a second and fill up my water bottle because I'm kind of hot, but I will be right back. It does look extremely red. Alrighty, I have returned finally to some stuff. So I got some water, obviously, from this fancy little Discord water bottle that I got. That's really nifty. And alright, my guilty pleasure is just eating peanut butter. I fucking love peanut butter, like a lot. Like, the stuff is good, especially Target brand. I'm not sponsored yet, unless you're Target. If you work for Target, like, come on, yeah. Let's get a brand deal going on here. No, I'm just kidding. Oh wait, another suggestion. Let's see what this new suggestion is. I am always open to suggestions, especially in the art department, because the art is not my specialty by far. But let's run this. And let's see where we go. I think I liked the other one better, personally. It just felt like it. Personally, I think I like the other. Oops, I think I like the other one better. I like that. That suggestion's good too, but don't judge me. I am eating peanut butter straight from the jar. And you know what? To compliment that, I even have a stuffed animal Winston, believe it or not. So, you know, maybe that's where I get it from. Maybe, I don't know. But I've got a stuffed animal Winston. He usually sits right next to me, but the apartment's kind of a mess because I got this new, No, it's not good? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I think I like the first one. It's all good. It's all good. Just testing it out. Yeah, I think I like this. I like this first one. Besides, I mean, you know, it doesn't have to. Yeah, I think I like this right here. Moira, you know what? My other roommate, you can't really see him, but Moira is, he plays Moira all the time in comp. All the time. I like playing Zenyatta and Tracer, but Moira is a lot of fun. She frustrates me sometimes when I'm playing Tracer, but she is a lot of fun to play. She's what the support class needed. They needed a support that's really fun to play. Okay. But yeah, Moira's a lot of fun. I like Moira. Let's see. What else can we do at this point? Honestly, you know, should I go? Debating if I want to do. All right, so let's play a game or two. Let's get this. Let's be gamers here. All right, so this is the easy difficulty. Oh yeah, I was gonna find. That was another thing. I was gonna fine tune these difficulties here a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, they did need her. They needed her. The supports category was hella lacking because I used to be just straight support main. Like that's all I'd play, but playing the same 4 characters all the time just gets really old really quickly. I agree. So yeah, so I started playing Tracer and Genji more. Tracer, Genji, Reaper, a lot of the flankers. Oh, and Widow. I love playing Widow. Oh my gosh. I'm not that great. Some days I'm good with her, some days I'm not that good, but oh no, I accidentally pushed back in myself, so. Yeah, this last screen might need a little bit of work still, like like color-wise, but overall I think it's pretty okay. I about lost right there. That would have been really, I did think about making the game resizable. Honestly though, I think I like this width because the snake is so small. Anything big, because I actually on the early stage of this, on the early stages of this game, the original window height was 600 by 800, and it just at that point it just felt too big. Games felt like they just took too long, and there just was much less of a challenge. There's just too much room for the snake, so I just decided to keep it a fixed size of 500 by 500. And actually, I was playing around with a 400 by 400 window size, which I almost liked better, but at that point it just feels too small. So I think I'm probably going to keep this 500 by 500 window size. Just keeping a fixed window size. Just because it just feels better, personally. Let's see. I can't remember what my high score is. I think it's like 59 or some crazy stuff. I'm about to lose. Oh my gosh. When it gets close to the edge like, oh gosh, when it gets really close to the edge like that, I get kind of nervous because that's where I usually lose, is the edges. Oh gosh. And backing up into myself. And see, I was actually about to make it to where you couldn't back up into yourself, but honestly, it just added more of a challenge, especially at the beginning of the game when there's not a lot going on. Oh, no! Oh my gosh, I'm dumb. Oh my gosh, I'm dumb. Another round or two, and then... I'm debating buttons on the home screen. And you know, I thought about making a particles system, but I don't know if I'm going to have enough time for particles, to be honest. Hell, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't even know how to do particles, or how I'd begin to implement that. I mean, I'd probably have to use like some sort of, I'd probably have to create like a class or something. Most likely, but I think that's why I saw some examples online. Using classes to create a particles. Damn, my reflexes are bad when I'm... Oh, good song, good song. I need more, I actually need more songs on my roster. Don't worry, the more I get into the farther I get into, the more I stream, the more new songs I'll have, so. I have kind of a limited library right now of songs, because I'm like, believe it or not, I'm extremely picky about music. Oh, music, that's what I could add. You know what, fuck it. Let's add some sounds to this. Yeah, I have no clue. I've seen some interesting like ideas on, you could create an object theoretically and then run that as a and create like a particle system, but honestly for the scope of this that might be outside. If I had maybe like an extra month or something, I might do that, but this is due like next week, so. And I mean, and I still have other finals I have to do also. I still have to study for a calculus final and then still have to write a research paper too, so. Yeah, I agree. Music would be nice. I need to get some music to run in the background. So, I'm going to start with a, like, maybe just a little blip whenever you actually hit the, whenever you hit the thing. So let's see, freesound.org, the blessing of sounds. I wonder if I type in just blip, see what that brings up. All right. I'm gonna pause Spotify here so we can get a nice, solid understanding. Oh, okay, I don't like that. I like that. I think this might be good. I like this one right here. This blip 3. This one I'm gonna keep in mind right here. So we're just gonna open that in a new tab. Let's see. Yeah, free sound. Hey, if you guys didn't know, that's actually where what's his face for Minecraft. That's where they got all, like, most if not all of the sounds for Minecraft, at least in the early stages, was just from freesound.org. So yep, I like blip 3. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if I like any of these other ones. Yeah, these are dumb. Yep, blip 3 for sure. So we're gonna download this. Okay, I'm still in. That's my old username. If you were curious, my old username used to be a partial of my middle name, which is Alexander, but I didn't like that. Overall, over time, it just got old. But yeah, I like this sound. Let's see. So blip. Final. We're gonna create a sounds folder, and in that, then we're gonna do. We'll just call it blip. When I can type. Okay. Now, let's see. I am not gonna lie though. I am not sure how to implement music in Pygame. So, Pygame. No, how to add. Let's see. Eat some peanut butter here again. Music load. Yep. Documentation all the way. Spend so much time on this place. Let's see. So probably like just load. So we're probably gonna do load file name. Okay. You know what? I'm actually might not need to make this in a new file, or it might just be easier to. No. I can do that. So probably like right here, maybe. Oh fuck! What was the here? I'm just gonna set this to the side. I'm just gonna guess pygame.mixer.music.load. What do I call it? Blip. So sounds.blip. What was it? Wave. Oh no. Okay, so yeah, and then to play it. Dot play. Loops. Okay. Oh no, it might have to be loaded and played at the same time is what I'm getting from the impression. Oh yeah. I do have actually I signed up for a 3D modeling class next semester. But I don't. I'm not right now. I've messed around in Blender a little bit, but I just don't have the patience. Honestly, like the people who do have the patience for Blender or to 3D model or to animate, bless you guys, because I don't. I've tried it on my own time, and I mean, I still want to learn it and get better at it. It could be useful, at least for setting up like generic like placeholders until an actual artist can fill things in. But overall, though, I've tried it just to make sure, and it's definitely not something I can do. So the people who can do it, yes. Yeah, our school does Maya, I believe. For the people who can do it, though, bless you guys. You guys make the games look really nice. and give it life. Let's see. So for if, let's see, if snake, alrighty. And dot mixer dot a loops 0 start. Honestly, I have no idea if this is gonna work or not. So like, cross your guys' fingers that this works, because I haven't the slightest clue. and let's see how this rolls. Let's see how this rolls, my dudes. Why do I have two? Oh my god, that's so annoying. All right, here we go. It did not work. Okay, so that's unfortunate. Wait, what else was it doing? I thought did it just do something else? No. Alrighty, so yeah, that did not work like I was wanting it to. Yes, documentation, please show me where I have fucked up. Maybe it's just load. It might be just, where did I type it? God, that's one thing I don't like. I always lose where I'm at. Right here. It might not need play. Let's see. Load a music file for playback. And then let's see. Music load. We'll play the loaded. If it is playing, it will be restart. Maybe I should actually read it. Maybe I should actually read the documentation and prepare it for playback. Okay. All right, so I do need the play. So let's see, music play. This will play the loaded music stream. If the music is already playing, it will be restarted. The loops argument controls the number of repeats it will play. Play 5. The starting position argument controls where in the music the song starts playing. Starting position is dependent on the format of the music playing. Let's see. Actually bamboozled. Let's see how we... Maybe I'm putting it in the wrong spot. Let's try... Try here. I have no clue how this might or might not. Close some of these old windows. Cool. No, it broke instead. It broke instead of fixing the problem. So I feel like that might not be the right spot to put it either. It should be right here though. Let's see. If snake list equals that and that, that's the actual occurrence of when... Just since I didn't document my code, let's just like comment this out just to make sure that I'm thinking of the right instance right here. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, that is all right. Good. So I'm thinking of the right instance, but I don't know why the hell it did that. But oh no, I know why it did that. Because it's doing that each time. But yeah, so that happens. That was kind of cool though. Actually, if you think about it, like that looked pretty cool. Actually, maybe it's just me. I thought that looked pretty cool. So I don't know why this is not working then. Let's see. Let's just see some examples here. All right, so I'm doing the load correctly, but let's try the play. Oh, maybe it's because it actually doesn't. It doesn't, maybe it doesn't need those. All right, let's cross your fingers, guys. Cross your fingers that this works. Did not work again. Why? My volume up loud enough? Actually, you know what? Maybe it's just because it's not in the rights. Maybe it's because I put it in a folder. Maybe that's just fucking with me, which could be a, that actually could be a pretty good possibility. So, so you know what? Fuck it. Let's just take it out of the folder and just place it right there. What the hell? I could be wrong about that, but, and maybe if I can actually find where I pasted the code. Right here, right here. Let's see if just this works. All right, let's turn this volume up. Then go deaf. No, it still did not work. What the hell? Bruh. Of course it would not work. Maybe it's because, I don't know. I'm just pulling for strings here, but maybe it's because of that. I'm just pulling for strings. That's probably not what it is though, but, oh wait, this is still open. Go away. Go away. I'll make it go away in a second. Let's see if we can get the sound to play now. No? Okay, that didn't work. Let's try some classical debug. Print. Alright, so let's try this. I'm just gonna see if it... Why is this still open? Alrighty. I'm just gonna see if it'll print that out. If anything else is happening in that, when that gets called right there. So we're gonna just keep an eye on this console right here and see what we got going on. No. Okay, so that's interesting. So the syntax might be right, but interesting. Why is it not playing the rest of this? So it's only doing this right here. It's only running these two things, and then it's not doing anything else underneath it. So let's, I wonder what would happen if we put it before it. Let's try this. I'm sure if I was an actual professional, I could have figured this out a long time ago, but I'm not a professional. No. No work, nothing. What the fuck? Alrighty. That's unfortunate. So I'm sure there's an easy fix. I can almost guarantee. I am thinking of the right thing, right? Like, that does do what I'm thinking it does. Maybe I'm just in the wrong section of code, because my code is not documented. I don't have, like, hardly any comments. What? Oh my gosh. I'm posting this in the wrong section of the code, I guess. Wait, if it works without it, then why is this here? What? I've confused myself. Oh. Okay, so I did this a long time. I bet. Oh no. Oh no. You guys are gonna watch me look like an idiot right here or right on stream. Right for the internet to see. Oh. Yes, this is what it is. I'm just an idiot. Why did I have this up here? Okay, so for some reason, alright, the answer to the solution, it appears, is that I had the same code written twice. I know what it was written twice for. It's because when I implemented the high score method, I think it was in one of my other streams, I think I created a duplicate? Maybe? I don't know why, but okay, whatever. Dot wave. So I know that it's reading that now. So, whoops. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, I am stupid. No, blip is not defined. Oh. Okay. Oh, I see what's happening. All right, so blip equals, oh no, I probably should I do this inside or outside of the game loop? Yeah, I agree. It is. You consistently switch back and forth between feeling like the stupidest person alive and the smartest person alive. I guess you have to create a variable. So blip equals and I'm guessing that that has to go like that. And then play probably doesn't. Maybe? Blip equals. Actually, I probably should keep this down here. And then load that. Maybe. I'm probably doing this all wrong, to be honest. Even though it doesn't say that it's wrong. Let's see, music load, music play. No, I know what it is. You don't have to create a variable. I actually, alright, so right? It does feel so good when you figure it out. No, after actually looking at the documentation correctly, it looks like you need quotes around there. Well, I bet that's the problem. Gosh, what a learning experience this is. Ugh, let's see. No! Couldn't open blip.wave. What you mean? What you mean you couldn't open it? Oh, this is so dumb. This is so dumb, but I'm so close. I can feel it. We're so close, guys. Need some peanut butter and take away the stress. Actually, I'm gonna take this peanut butter away from myself before I become fat. Or fatter. Okay. Yeah, for real though, like sometimes if I'm just sitting here, this is why I don't buy snacks for myself, because of that shit. I'll just sit there and eat it all day. And honestly, the only reason I got peanut butter is because I was too lazy to actually eat, like actually get some real food. I was streaming and I was very into it. Guys, we are on the brink of something. It is very close. We are very, very close. Couldn't open blip.wave. Let's see. You know what? Fuck it. Let's just Google. Why won't Pygame load my sound? We are on the brink of something massive. You cannot use Pygames' library unless you initialize. All you using or all. You have to pre-initialize. Okay, you're good. I'll see you when you get back, my dude. Initialize. Alright, this is probably just gonna be me. You know what, you actually, I'm gonna let you guys look if you guys want to also read along to just the greatness that is Stack Overflow. There's a reason. There's a reason that my Overwatch username is literally Stack Overflow, because this site has gotten me through a pinch quite a few times. Let's see. Maybe this is it? 32-bit? What version am I using? Oh wait, no, 36, 32. Okay. So I'm using what version? Yeah, I'm using 36. So we encode it to a signed. Let's see. Maybe I should create a sound object. And then just play that sound object. Actually, but that really was not very helpful though. Music, not as normal sound. Music.lit. Oh, maybe it's because I'm running. Cool. Okay, so I probably should use. So let's see, create a. So you know what? Sound object equals. All right, we're gonna do that first and see how this works. So sound. Blip equals pygame dot mix sound. Oh, sound. Let's see. And then, oh, nope. I cannot type. I cannot type. Repeat. Incapable of typing. Thank you. Blip dot wave. Maybe it's this. Couldn't open blip dot, or I didn't capitalize. Okay, no. Dot wave. No, I have not figured it out. If anything, I am more confused. Let's see. Blip dot wave. All right. Sound object dot play. All right, so blip dot play. Oh my gosh. Let's see. This dude was on to something here though. All right, let's try this now. Let's see what we... Wait, what? I don't know what happened there, but... Okay, so now I broke it even farther. Damn. Sooner or later I'll get this figured out. Maybe... No, I know that's not working. But... I am 100% bamboozled. Is it because... Oh, it's because it's right here. Why can't it load the sound, though? That's our problem. Why is it not loading the sound? Unable to open file blip.wave. Alright, so somebody said to re-encode it to a 16-bit wave. Let's try that, I guess. Whatever. Just YOLO. No, that's okay. That's okay. I appreciate it, though. Let's see. Open. No, let's just find it. Where? Oh, there we go. And where's the sound? Why can't this be easy? It is in that folder. You know what? No. Let's just do this. Thanks. Okay. Fuck it. Let's just do that. Where's the sound? I don't hear anything. Export as 16-bit. And we're going to save this in here, here, here. Blip 1. Let's try this. Okay. Now, I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know if this is going to work. This probably is going to work. Let's see. But, what the hell? Let's give it a shot. And... What? Wait. We might be onto something, my dudes. Yes! Yes! Yes, it worked! It worked. I was using the wrong wave file. It had to be 16-bit wave, not 32-bit wave. This is a good day for us all. This is a good day for us all. Now there's a little bit of a delay, so I'm not fond of the delay. So you know what? I don't know why the actual sound won't play in here, but for some reason the sound actually won't play. Oh no, it's because I'm. Don't judge me. Or judge me. It's okay. Let's see. All right. All right. So let's see. Okay. That is a massive relief. But now that we've got that figured out, we can make it not delay. Playback speed. All right. Wow. I'm being like super nitpicky. Oh fuck. How do I? Okay. All right. I don't know why the sound. Yeah, cut it off at point. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. There we go. All right, so let's just like delete, export audio as blip 1 wave. Yes, I am aware. We are going to replace. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, my dudes. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. And it's still delay though. It's not as bad though, but I don't know if I like that. I bet no, I know why it's doing that. It's because it's probably because I think I placed it at the yeah. Let's do it before we do any of this code actually, and see how this works. All right, so now let's try this. It's probably because it's in the wrong order. Like it was doing all the calculations first, but yeah, that's better. That's better. Cool. Oh my gosh, yes. So glad. Okay, that's a relief. Oh my gosh. Okay, I was getting worried there. All right, but no, I'm glad we figured that out. Thank you guys. Thank you everybody. Ugh. Okay, cool. So we got that going. That's good now. Let's see. We could maybe. That's so beautiful. You know what? That just sounds amazing. Yes, yes. Oh, it sounds so good. I hate that the stream has to be less boring now that I don't have Spotify playing in the background, but this is 100% worth it, I think. I think it's... Yeah, it's time for the music. Gosh, all right. So I actually looked around for music the other day, and you know, it's actually difficult to find good music for this because I was looking for something that's kind of minimalistic, you know, not something too heavy or anything, but oh damn. I went around by myself. It's okay. I was looking for something kind of minimalistic, but not too difficult, I guess. Or not difficult, but like it's just Snake. Snake is by nature a casual game. So I was looking for something that's like kind of casual, but isn't exactly I'm gonna need this still. But isn't like too complex, so hell, I might just rip from another song, to be honest. Oh, that's too complicated. I need something like super minimalistic, to be honest. So, Oh, no. Oh, that's stupid. This is gonna be difficult. Galaga. I'll consider it. If I can't find anything else, I'll use Galaga. But okay, I can get rid of that. 8-bit. No. This might be the intro music. Yeah, I don't want anything too intense though. Because like I said, it's by nature this is a that's very, very loud. By nature, Snake's just I forgot that's not gonna work. I have to change it in my which one's systems? Alright, that should okay. I just wanted you guys to be able to hear it, that's all. But still be able to hear me. That's a little too. Maybe. I can actually hear the people talking in the background from like the mall or something. No thanks. 8-bit boss fight. I'm torn. I like it, but I don't like it for this game, if that makes sense. I don't know if I want to do that. Let's try. This is going to be the intro music. Yep, that's intro music. Let's listen to this. It's a little more adventurous than I want it to be, but it sounds kind of like a Nintendo game, you know? It's a little more than what I'd probably want, but I'm not getting graded on my artistic ability here, so... Although, I kind of like this. What you guys think? You guys... I think I'm gonna go with this. Just as like the music that loops around. Let's turn this on as a loop. See how that transitions. That transitions well too. I think I'm gonna use this and the 8-bit intro. Hey, goodbye, Galaga. Alright, cool. Alright, so I'm gonna use these two. So this is gonna be called in-game music. I don't want that in sounds. In-game. No, fuck, I can't type. In-game music. And let's see. I'll probably have to transcribe this one, or not and get the different one. And let's see, this one. I like that. This is kind of fun. It's fun. It's like I said, it's a little too adventurous for my taste, but I'm just getting free music. I can't be too picky, I guess. Yeah. Okay, I just want to hear how it loops. It's pretty dope, though. Oh, this is 16, so that might work. Hold on. Alright, so we can loop that. I'll probably just loop that in Audacity if I need to. big file right there. Well, for a game like this. I might cut some of this off because that's really long. Kind of catchy, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty sure you followed me in an Uber. Oh shoot! Hey man, how's it going? Yes, I believe so. How's it going? Hey. Alright, yeah, I like this song. Alright, we're going with those two. Oh boy, now we're gonna have to... Oh, did I close that out? Oh no. Okay, no I didn't. I thought I accidentally closed that by accident. Okay, so let's see. Now we're going to reference this documentation to load. Alright, so for this we're gonna need, for the in-game song, in-game music equals alright, so it's pygame dot, okay, hold up, I need pygame dot dot mixer dot music dot load, and then dang, I already forgot what I just named them. This is in-game music, so in-game, I don't know if in-game music is gonna work. Oh, thank you. I think we've had a pretty good stream so far. Actually, I know some of the I've met some really cool people in the chat. Yeah, it's been a really fun stream so far. I mean, I doubt that'll change. We've been super productive too. got a lot working now in this game. So let's see. We called in-game music dot wave. Oops. I don't know if that's gonna load. Hopefully it does. And then whenever the game starts, actually, so you know, I can probably actually load this inside the game loop and then run and then do the play. So pygame. Okay. Actually, I probably didn't even need to make this a variable. Pygame dot I can't type dot music dot play, and then what is it? 0 loops. Oh no, -1 because I don't know how many times they're gonna do according to the documentation, and then 0, and then all right guys, cross your fingers because we're gonna see if this works or not. That's not good. Oh wait. Oh, that's because I loaded it in the wrong scene. I'm dumb. I need to actually load it in was it here? Yeah, it was here. Okay, I needed to load it in the beginning. All right, so we're gonna actually paste it right here where the rest of the start screen. All right, so now that I've actually got this pasted in the correct area, let's see how this goes. I don't know why the old one didn't run. Okay, so I'm having the same problem as before, but now we know how to fix it. I do agree, the intensity has intensified a lot. Okay, so whip out Audacity. Thanks Audacity for being free. Oh no, don't save. Don't save. Close. No. All right, so we're going to open flip one. Oh, so it doesn't that explains it. That actually explains it. So Audacity doesn't even open. Oh no. It doesn't even open these oh, I typed in the wrong thing. I typed in the wrong song here. Let's change that real quick. Opening song, or is it song or music? Opening song dot wave. All right, cool. So Audacity actually won't even open a won't even open 32-bit. So we just have to export as opening song 16-bit. And I am aware that there's something called that already. Why haven't we exported? Opening song. Oh. Okay, so it did save already. Now opening song. Okay, open. Did I spell that right? Opening song. You know what? Just because I'm unsure and I'm lazy, we're just gonna copy and paste it right out of here. Okay, I did spell it correctly. Alright guys, this is the moment of truth. This is where it really gets intense. Oh boy. Wait, what? Okay, so I don't know if you guys can hear me. I don't know how well you guys can hear me over the actual music itself, but okay, so it's loading the song, but it's fucking the song. It's fucking the song up too. So let's see how. Okay, no, it's behind me anymore. Let's see how this rolls. Why are we only getting like we're only getting like 2 seconds of this music, and I don't know why. That's in the wrong thing again. You know what? Let's just run it again just to see how this runs the second time. Weird. I need a timer. Alright. So I'm going to actually use a timer to see how far into this goes and see if that can help us explain where I'm going wrong. Ready? Oh wait, stopwatch. I said timer, but I meant stopwatch. Yeah, I don't know why it's restarting only why it's restarting like that. Like specifically there. It's probably something in the code that I'm not knowing. If the loop is -1, then the music will repeat indefinitely. You know what, let's just try it without a -1 first, actually. We'll just try 0. Maybe that's what's messing up with us. So, let's try it if it just runs once. No. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, wait. This is probably going to give the same thing, but I just want to make sure. That's concerning. That's very concerning. I think the problem... I don't need this timer. Is it with the song? Oh. I know what it is. It's because it's in this while loop. It needs to load only once. Okay, so that's probably what it is. Because it was going on every 2 ticks. Let's try putting it outside of this while loop. Oh, that's too far. If this fixes it, then that'll explain the problem. That'll also create a problem here in a little bit, but I'm not sure how that's going to work yet. So... yeah, there we go. That was the problem. Okay. Good. Yes! This feels good right now. Feels really good right now. Nice. Okay, so now we can play. And it keeps on actually playing. Alrighty. Oh. What? Okay, so I had other windows open too. I don't know what was... Alright, so the issue was that the song was actually running around. So we have a while loop right here, and I had the song in here inside the while loop. So every time this code ran, it would start the song over again. And it just kept doing that every time this code ran right in here. So it would run and then start again, and then start again, and then start again, and then start again. So I took it outside of the while loop and put it just in the actual declaration. So I put it to where it won't keep playing over and over again. So now that simplifies things and makes things difficult, kind of. So now we've got this. Okay, so since we know that works, I can actually set this to -1 and keep that playing indefinitely. So that's good. That's good. And let's see. And then we have a song that's only going to play during the game. So, okay, so now we're going to need to play... Oh, I have to convert the other song too, actually, real quick, because that's still going to be in the other file. Oh, wait, did I close? No. Alright, so let's go ahead and convert that other file before we get too far. So we're just gonna slowly and steadily. Yeah, I was just thinking about that actually. Why is... Oh yeah. I'm thinking about maybe a stop function. Actually, I think there is already... Yeah, okay, so there is a stop function. I'm gonna have to call the stop function first, and then probably load up the in-game sound. So, yeah. So we're going to export this, wherever export it, right here. Export as in-game. All right, cool. And boom, bada bing, bada boom, problem solved. Been there, done that. We've already done this 4 times, so actually, like, this is the 3rd time, so we've already done this 2 other times, so we know what we're doing now. So, okay, but I just don't remember the code. All right, so pygame.mixer.music.load and go wave. All right, so we got that, and then .mixer play -1 0, and actually we're going to call the stop function before, so that way pygame.mixer.music.stop. So this should in theory stop the previous oh yeah, there's actually a function right here to stop the music. I just now looked over at chat. There's actually already a pre-built function to stop the music. So I'm just gonna see. I'm gonna see if this works. If this doesn't work, I'm probably gonna do your idea. All right, so we're here. Pygame is not defined. What you mean? Oh, it's because I mistyped. Duh. Pyagme. That's beautiful. Classic typo. Okay, let's try this again. See if we can get something good going on here. Yeah. Alrighty, and yes. I need to make this music quieter though. It's really loud. No, it's okay. So it did work. So that did work. Okay, good. Guys, we are making some progress here. This is some massive progress. Let's see. Actually, in hindsight, I think I need to quieten down the in-game music a little bit. So let's see. I actually don't know how to do that on here. Oh, probably volume. So like this. I think this sounds pretty good right here. Okay, so we're gonna export that and run with this. Okay, and let's try running this again here. Dang, I haven't actually, oh my gosh, guys. I'm a horrible developer. I don't think I've pushed any changes to GitHub, because this is, by the way, guys, this is actually on GitHub. It's on my GitHub. If you guys want to look at it for whatever reason, if you decide like, hey, I kind of want to check this out for whatever strange reason, if you do, this all should be on my GitHub. And as soon as I get this music working, I will push the next commit, so that way you guys can actually view the code and try it out and edit things if you want, if you're interested. I don't know if you're interested or not, but if you are, you know. But I'm a bad developer because I don't think I've pushed any changes to GitHub since I actually implemented GitHub yesterday, so I'm horrible. Let's see, what did I, oh yeah, we need to run this and see if this sounds better, because it was too loud a second ago. I like the opening music though. Yeah, this sounds a lot better now. Okay, this sounds good. This sounds good. I like how this sounds now. It's not too overbearing or loud, so. Oh yeah, I just read your message. It's okay. You don't know Python. That's fine. Nothing wrong with that. Hell, I didn't either until not long ago. In all technicality, I am still technically new to the dev scene. So, okay, so this is cool. This adds good atmosphere. Okay, I'm glad I went with this song because it adds atmosphere. So, yes. I'm just gonna, you know what? I'm gonna roll, guys. I'm just gonna go all the way. Now, other sounds that I think we need to add. It would be cool to add a sound that plays at the end of, like, when you die. So I might go back onto freesound.org and see if we can get, like, I don't know if I want to play music over the end screen, but I do want to add like a little bit of sound there, if that makes sense. Oh no. Okay, whew. That was extra risky right there. Alright, and I'm actually on a roll now. Oh boy. Oh dang, that's unfortunate. But, okay. Alright, so yeah, I would like to stop the music here. Okay, so actually that's what we're gonna go ahead and do real quick. Whenever you lose, where's the stop? We're gonna stop. Oh, no, not Control X. While game over is true, we're going to stop the music, and then let's go ahead and find some more music. I've already got this open. So let's find, okay, so just a second ago, oh no. Okay, so the retro, yeah, here we go. This is a good collection. I like this one. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna go with probably this one. I know all these sounds like technically don't really go together. They all are kind of stylistically different, but I'm just downloading these for free, so you don't give me too much shit. It's okay. All right, let's see. Losing sound. Song sound. Okay, cool, my dudes. Okay, and we're going to open Dropbox, and not portfolio website. That is for another day. One day I'll have my portfolio. It's a work in progress, my dudes. It's a work in progress. Man, I have failed Devember. All right, so there's a oh no, I don't want to save. Close, no. So there's this thing called Devember that I said I was going to participate in, and I actually never got around to it. And I failed like a day into it. That's super bad. But it's okay, I guess. Alrighty. Nice. So now we have losing sound. So now whenever we run this, pygamemixer dot, you know, we'll just run it as a music file because it's technically music. So pygame, I did that pygame.mixer. dick dot load losing sound dot what dot what dot mixer dot music dot play. Oh no, just we just need it once and start at 0. So cool, excellent. Let's see if this works now. Where's alrighty, and you know what? Oh fuck. It's in that loop again. I did the same thing I did earlier, so damn. Okay then. While not game exit. Okay. Shit. Okay. This is gonna be a little different, or this is gonna be a little difficult now because of how the game is set up. Originally, the game is set up as while game over is a state. It is constantly being run. So I'm gonna have to think, how are we gonna do this? Maybe create game over in its own function, but that's gonna be different because that has to be played at a different time. So let's see, because this is all technically in a while loop right here. I could add to the clock. I could add a tick. So let's see. Let's add clock. Clock dot tick, and we're gonna add a 0.5. This is just a guess. I don't know how this is gonna work. I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's see. This is kind of cheesing it in a way. This is slowing the loop down so it has enough time to run the music. This is kind of cheesing it. Shit. Okay. So it works and it doesn't work. It works as in it gives us the sound, but it doesn't work because it doesn't run the rest of the code quick enough. Might see how I can make this work though. Why did my light just turn off? Hold up. Alrighty. Alright, we're good now. Oh wait. We only want to play that once, so that's gonna be hard to fix. I'd have to basically rewrite my game over code, which I wouldn't be against doing, but so what are we doing? You know, why did we do that? There was a reason for that actually. Oh, it's because because this is all one big loop, at least at the time, if if I did do just like one event like that where it just happened once, actually, no, you're onto something though, actually. I think you're right. I probably should write this into a different function. Oh God, that would... No, you're fine. You're fine. No, that's fine. No, you make a good point though. There was a reason, but I could probably rewrite this in all actuality. Oh God, that would require planning. And just hella trial and error. But no, you're right. You're right. There would be some form. I could rewrite this into a function, and I'm just kind of thinking out loud at this point. So if I rewrote the game over state into a function, how would I? Because this is all the code that has to deal with game over. So, You're onto something. I'll have to write this down on paper here in a little bit. Just so I could... No, wait. No, yeah, you're right. Yeah, I love it. That's why. I don't know if you were here earlier, but if you saw, but I talk to Winston a lot too when I'm not on stream. Pretty nifty. I got a nice little stuffed animal Winston that my roommates are jealous of. So, it's all good. Let's see. I don't know where they are though, but it's okay. Let's see, if I wrote this into a function, there was a reason for that. Right? It is perfect. I love Winston. The little Winston, he's pretty adorable, I'm not gonna lie. There was, alright, this is a side tangent here. When I got him, there was the possibility of getting of Snowball, May's Snowball, her little robot, but I didn't get there quick enough. I mean, I like my Winston too, but I kind of wanted the Snowball. It was just, Snowball's cool. But it's all good. Winston's awesome too. He's dope. He does his job. And he's there to remind me how much smarter he is than I am, so. Because he literally developed an entire OS. And I'm sitting here just making little arcade games. I can have him remind me how insignificant I am. Right? Snowball would have been awesome. Yeah, anyways, though. You're right. You're right, though. Oh, gosh. So what I would need to do is, if this would work, I don't even know if this would work, to be honest, but it might. You know what? Let's try it. So, game over. We would have a game over. Well, game over equals true. So we could take this, put this in here, create a new function. Def game over oh no, bruh. And then just indent all this back a little bit. Exactly. It's baby steps. It's baby steps. While game over equals true. We won't need that anymore, though. I don't believe. Oh, no. No. We're going to run this in Git because before we do anything extreme, I need to... Alright, so this... Alright, before I even do these sounds right here, let's make sure this works. And then we're going to make a commit. So that way if I fuck everything up, it'll all be good in the end. So, alright, I'm going to make sure everything works. Which so far we're good. Sounds work. Sounds work. Alright. Stop. Oh, no. I have to do the... And then just that. I'm just gonna get this to work because yeah, that was the entire reason I set Git up the other day, was so that way if I fuck something up. But and then I don't know, it was an emotionally taxing morning on why I set Git up. Oh, why is that taking? Oh no, it's because of the oh, go away. Let's see. It's because of this. I forgot about this. That's slowing things hella slow. Okay. All right, so I just want to get this to a, okay. I think I see why you did the game over. Yes, I honestly, this is going to be bad. This is why, if anybody here is watching this that doesn't code a lot, but wants to, fucking comment what you're doing, because later I started this like a week ago, and I've already forgotten why I chose to do a while loop instead of just a regular thing, but comment. I should be doing that more. If I had used Git starting out, I could have included all my reasonings in there correctly, but I was dumb and didn't start out and didn't include Git until I needed to. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Alright, cool. And then we can... Alright, cool. Cool. Nice. Alright, so now we're going to commit. So, let's see. Fuck. What all have we added? Let's see. What all has been added? No, you know what? Hold up. Let's just do it in... You can call me a fake developer all you want. I'm okay with that. But I use the, I like the GitHub desktop application. Where is it? There it is. Dang. I like the GitHub desktop application, damn it. Okay, so let's see. I'm not gonna lie. Learning how to use the terminal for Git, I know it's super easy. I know it doesn't take long to learn, but look at this. Look at this. It provides a fancy GUI, and it looks nice. So, all right, added. Oh fuck, added. Oh my gosh, added a bunch. Oh shit. Okay. I'm gonna just, yeah, fuck it. I don't care. Let's see. What have I added? I just want to give a solid description. So we've added a title screen. Added title screen, added sound effects, added music, added difficulty, added difficulty selector. What else have we added? No, yeah, I agree. Sometimes it gets a little, sometimes I do agree with that statement. Not gonna lie, sometimes I even check on GitHub's website just to make sure everything synced correctly, but I don't do that as much anymore now, but yeah, but I do worry sometimes, but it's all good. So let's see, what else have we added here? We've added title screen, sound effects, music, difficulty selector. Didn't we fix a bug? I think we fixed a bug too. I'll just put bug fixes because that's nice in general. Bug fixes. Cool. Commit to master. Thanks, fam. And then we are going to publish. Alright, cool. Added a bunch of shit. Alright. I like how that's so specific. Okay, now we're going to pull back, or we're going to publish. Actually, it should already be published, but I'm just going to go ahead and sync this up real quick. Bless. So, and then we're going to start getting into the dirty work of, alright, let's wait for this to get done, though. As soon as this gets done syncing, then we can start kind of getting a little questionable, doing some questionable science. Look at this background. If you guys don't use it, you should definitely be using what's it called? I actually don't remember what it's called now. Okay, we've synced up now. If you guys aren't using it, you should be using, I'm trying to remember what it's called now. I can't remember I gotta find out. Wallpaper Engine. It's only like $3 on Steam. It barely takes up any RAM usage, and it adds some awesome ass backgrounds that move and stuff. So I haven't, granted now my computer's a little beefier, but I haven't felt any performance hits. So you should definitely be trying it. Yeah. It's a Wallpaper Engine. Yep. There's a whole bunch of community added stuff. It's great. It's great. I love it. Okay. Good, good. We are now back in sync. Okay. So now we can just alrighty. Alright, you know what? We'll leave that there. And where's our game over loop? While not game exit. Let's see. So this is, oh no, that's our actual game loop. I'm just trying to make sure I don't. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Control X. God, let's see. Oh shit. Yeah, Freddy Fazbear's Pizza Simulator is free. Oh, did I accidentally? I might have accidentally pushed my changes to functions that I didn't want. Oh, damn it. It'll be okay, but let me check real quick. I might have goofed. I think I did. What is it? Functions? Ah, balls. Okay, so I accidentally... Let's trash that. Right. At the current branch. No. Fuck. I'm fucking everything up. You know what? We're just gonna leave it in there. It didn't hurt anything while it was in there, so we're just gonna leave it in there. Let's see. How could we get this? I'm trying to think of how I'm gonna make this work. I think it was because of that, to be honest. Is why it was like that. While not game exit. If... Oh, this is... I'm an idiot, guys. Oh my gosh. I about deleted the... Oh, boy. Did I goof? I may have goofed. Hold up. We don't need that or that or any... This is an emergency. Did I accidentally delete my functions? I didn't. I don't think I did. Okay, no. Alright. That was the game intro. I thought, oh my gosh, I didn't even read what I was deleting. Guys, don't be like me. Be smart. Don't be dumb like me. Okay. Alright, so we're good. And we added the define game over. Alrighty, let's see. How are we gonna do this? We are going to... Alright, so if... Alright, so if... I think it sets... If game over equal... Oh, wait. That means I'm going to have to change this. Game over screen. Define. Oh, and I'm going to have to import main. And I don't think I have anything else, but I'm going to keep those separate. So I'm going to want to tab all the stuff for that. Over. Wait, what? This? You're talking about this? But why that? This shouldn't need to be tabbed. This, oh, if it's because this is just because this deals with the high score. If that's what you're thinking. I don't know. All the stuff for that if score. Oh yeah, this is only for high score dealing stuff, but this stuff is all still inside the game over function. Oh, Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. I see what you're saying. If game over equals true, yeah, you are correct. Thank you. You saved me heartache and pain. Let's see. Pygame. Let's see. Oh, wait. All right. If game over equals true, guys, I can't type. Then we can just call game over. Oh, no. Functions dot game over screen. Okay. Yeah. That was definitely, that would have been problematic. Let's see. Okay, so actually, in hindsight, though, is this even changing anything? This may not have changed a thing. Let's see. Let me get rid of that space and run for. You know what? Let's just see. Let's YOLO, guys. YOLO. What am I doing? What am I doing? F5, F5, F5. All right. Okay. Game. All right. So. Oh no. Now the music's gonna be playing while I'm thinking. Okay. So local variable game over referenced before assignment for game over screen. Game over. Oh no, I forgot. Let's see. Wow, game over main. All right, so while main dot, because game over is defined in, yeah. Okay, I just forgot to define game over. Oh damn, I'm gonna have to define everything. Okay, all right. No. That is true. I do agree. I do agree. Yes, you are correct. 100% correct there. So yeah, it should all do the exact same thing. File was declared over there. God, everything's gonna have to be dotted. I wish there was a way. There probably is. I probably just don't know it. Main.game display. See, okay, so. And let's see. I'm forgetting somewhere, I'm sure. Main dot, okay, if colors, that's a lot of main dots. Oh no, wait, uh-oh, what do you mean, oh no? Uh-oh. Oh, shit. What happened to my stream? Oh, fuck. Okay, can you guys hear me? This is an emergency, I don't know. Oh, okay. Alright, so for what happened was when I read the oh no message, okay, I thought when I read the oh no, I looked on my screen and it said like there was some sort of error and okay, alright, okay, that's important. Thank you for the heads up. I'll probably have to change this up. Hello, new viewers. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure what was going on there, actually. I'll have to figure all that out, to be honest, but... shit. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, so when you said, oh no, I looked over and there was like a error, a 900 error on my stream, and I thought my stream like froze, and I was freaking out. I was like, wait, what? That's not cool. That's not cool. You know what? let's get some music back in here. It's been a while, so, and we're not looking on sounds. We're trying to fix code. So let's get some music. I think you guys can probably hear it. Dang it, I just need to get partnered so that way I can stream even better high quality HD. Extra thick content. Okay, so let's see if this runs correctly now. Oh no, we got a syntax error because I don't know how to fill. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. All right. Well, one day I'll learn how to, man, one day I might learn how to copy and paste, but okay. This is a good song too by Pegboard Nerds. Definitely, it should be, my thing should be working. Definitely check that out. I love Pet. I think I've said this like 8 times in stream already, but damn, I like Pegboard Nerds. Oh. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Okay, main has no attribute, game over. I don't know what you're talking about. In line 42. Line 42. Oh, wait. It says it has... Oh, no, that's because it's in main dot... Oh, okay. Main dot game loop... Oh, no. Dot game over. Okay. Okay, yeah, I got you. How's that? That should be a little bit better for the music. Okay. All these functions. It feels good, man. Not. Kind of. Okay. Alright, let's see if this works now. What? Are you guys seeing this? Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so it only checks for... Damn. This is interesting. If game over equals true, then run this. But it's not even running this. It's just like completely looping over. Where did I fuck up? I fucked up something. Oh no. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to do okay, I'm sorry about Nightbot. You know what? Let me just disable Nightbot. I don't need... I'm gonna figure out how to do it after this, after the stream. I have to really... Okay, so I added Nightbot, but I didn't really do any tweaks or modifications to it. So it's kind of doing its default behavior, but I forgot that sometimes that default behavior is kind of needed, especially for what I stream. So, sorry about Nightbot. Yeah, laugh at me. That's okay. I'm gonna switch up. I'm gonna get Nightbot fixed up, or I might just remove it altogether because it's not. I don't have like a massive audience, so and plus, I can just talk to you guys. So I might just go ahead and get this. I don't know why it's. Sorry about the Nightbot problem. That's unfortunate, truly. Okay, let's see. Let's get onto here again. Why are we not? It runs over. Oh yeah. You're complete. Why, thank you. I'm glad. I'm glad there's nothing harsh between us. Thank you. I appreciate that. Let's see here. Where could we basically as intended capital? Why? You know, honestly, I don't even know why I have Pylint installed, because I literally just ignore Pylint all the time. Besides, it's not even right. Look at this. Like, Pygame obviously works, but it says it has no key down member, but it does. Pylint is lying. Actually, you know what? Hold up. I'm just gonna uninstall it. Pip Alright, let's just go ahead and uninstall Pylint real quickly. Because honestly, those squiggly lines are getting kind of annoying. Alright, cool. PowerShell for the win, guys. If you're not using PowerShell, you need to be. Alright, so we're just gonna save everything and then get all these annoying ass squiggly lines out of here. Especially on here. Alright, we're just gonna close and then reopen. Ah, beautiful. Good. It's so clean and easy to read. Okay, close. No, thank you. Alrighty. We're good now. Now, I need to stop procrastinating. And figure out why the hell this is running without... It doesn't even look through the code. You know, I might make the title... I might make the title song a little quieter too. But I don't... Okay. It just runs over entirely. And, Dang. The only way to reset the game is if you actually push the letter Q and then it resets and it sets game over to equal to false. But it never actually, let's see, it only stays, I don't know if what I said made sense. So basically what happens is it goes in here and then it reads through and then you can play again when game over is set to false. And that's by pushing Q after going through all this code. But it hasn't even gone through all the code yet. Let's see. It just, if game over equals true, then run this. And it comes over here while game loop. Game over equals. While game over equals true. Fuck, dude. No. Why is this being difficult? Alright, we're gonna have to put our thinking caps on. I wish I had a thinking cap. Winston's gonna be my thinking cap here, guys. Alright, Winston. Help me think, my dude. Alright, I'm gonna actually have to lay back so he doesn't fall down. Just like sit here. Winston's my thinking cap. Okay. I'll go. Hold up. This is very important work, my friends. Winston has to be a part of this. Alrighty. Alright, this is important. Alright, you know what? I'm sorry, Winston. I tried to work with you, but you were difficult. Okay. We're just gonna pretend Winston's on my head. And it's ignoring while main.game loop reset position. Yeah. No, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, it's all right. So basically, it's supposed to just call in main if game over, like, because whenever, let's see, whenever, wherever it is, oh yeah, if it hits one of there or the border, it's supposed to set equal to game over, which game over will, and when it runs as true, it's supposed to run this function, which it's gonna come over here, and while game over equals true. Hold up. I don't know, this might be a mistake. That's probably gonna be a mistake right there, but I'm just I'm grabbing for anything at this point. Get a few dots for our new viewers. This is the game we're making new viewers. We're just remaking Snake. And we're having problems. Alright, yeah, so I didn't think that would work, but I just wanted to test and make sure. So oh fuck. So it is reading it, but it just completely hold up. Let me just whip this code from GitHub again. I'm just gonna grab it from here and let's see. What are we in? We want main. Where's our game over stuff? While game over, I'm just gonna grab this code right here and copy this. What? And then I'm just gonna see and make sure I'm just gonna like see if it's the crossover between files that's causing our problem. And let's run this again and see if no. Interesting. Let's I mean this okay. KC. Why is that? I don't know what this is for. I'm gonna get rid of some irrelevant code. Yeah, that's irrelevant. Let's see. Discord. It just breaks, actually. Oh. While game over. Okay. This is part of the problem. I think. It looks like the line while it's making. Yeah. It's actually making a function. You're right. I bet you're right. I just want to look at this. Okay. Wait a second here. How did I have this? This is all correctly. Okay, so it works. I was just checking this right here while functions are game over. Let's see. It looks like the line in while game loop dot game dot game loop dot game over actually is making the function to call to game loop. Is this calling to game loop? Dot game loop dot game over. I don't see how that would make it reset though. Maybe I'm just dumb, but trying to figure out why would that make it reset though? I just wanted to $57 in game loop function dot game over. Oh. God, I'm dumb right now. That's annoying. I, for some reason, always type in that. For some reason, it's incredibly annoying. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. Module function says no game over attribute. Oh, duh. Game over. Oh no, it's gonna do that thing where it freezes, probably. Yeah, it froze. Hold up. Dang it. Visual Studio Code out. Alrighty. Close. I know it's not installed because I uninstalled it. Thanks. Alright, let's see. Yeah, that's stupid. It's actually making the function call to game blank or in the. This is calling to game loop. Wow, main.game. Yeah, I agree. I agree. I agree. This is all for some stinking sound. I might just go back. I agree. I think we might need to pull back to a previous version because this is annoying. Not gonna lie. I don't know how to use version control on here. Undo last commit. It's probably easy, but I'm just gonna use this one. Yeah. Oh yeah. I see what you see. I see what you're saying. The reason I'm thinking that called gaming is because. Oh, you're saying at the top, yeah. And this defines snake, so that's interesting. But it's unfortunate and kind of annoying. I see what you're saying. I'm trying to figure out why. Yeah, this is dumb. Let's just roll back. Whatever. That's what we got it for. What the hell? This should have, should be when we still had the, yeah, revert to that. What? Oh, modified files. Let's, just. Move before trying to revert again. I'm not able to just like revert to this position. That's the face of consideration that we could fix. Yeah, that's true. Honestly, I'm probably already gonna get a good grade on this anyways, but remove my changes. Can we like guard? Oh yeah. Alrighty, there we go. And then we can just revert to this. Alrighty, cool. No, I didn't. Okay. Let's see. And what? I did commit the music changes in here. I did pull. Did I just pull to a wrong? I thought I had. Did I just fuck this up completely? Because I'm dumb? Did I actually just do this? Where did my functions folder go? No, I goofed. I don't think I did. Balls. The thing that... No! Okay, well then. No, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. I thought I had... I fucking did commit that shit though. Wow. Okay. Well. Oh. Okay. Functions. Oh no, we have functions right here. You know what? We'll just revert to this. Let's see. All right. Okay. Now we good. We good. We good, my dude. Oh, I just reverted to the wrong one. Rip. Okay. What? Oh my god. What an emotional roller coaster. No, but it should be good. It should be good. I just need to click on compare to compare. Nah, it's good. I have to go through this. We want to keep these changes. Let's see. So while not if game over. All right. So yeah. I need to just. No. I think we're good. I think I just goofed. Yeah. No. Nah, you're fine. It's not your fault. I thought I accidentally just clicked on the wrong git or the wrong commit. Let's see. Module functions. Okay, that's because game over screen. Let's see. Okay, and it's just this, which I can pull off GitHub right now. Nah, we good. I just need to learn Git. Go back to previous. Wait, hold up. For some reason I didn't get this in here, but that's okay. Excuse me. It's all good. We're good, my dude. It's somewhere in here. I just have to figure out how the fuck to use this. Wait, what is this? Functions? Oh no, this is main. I haven't used Git very much, so it's okay. No, it's okay. Now you're good. You good, my dude? I think. Nah, it's all good. It's all good, my dude. I promise. I've got all of this. I'm going to. It doesn't help that I've used Git like once, so that's not helping. It's not your fault, my dude. You were onto something. We had an idea. It's okay. And plus, I still got time to fix it. What is this? I don't care about. Oh yeah, here we go. It's right here. Alrighty, so. And I believe that should automatically. Yeah. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh. The Cherno official. Oh my gosh. I feel blessed right now. Welcome. It is amateur hour over here. It is amateur hour. Thank you for stopping by. Holy crap, I cannot believe this. I feel like really good. This is pretty cool. This got to mean something then. We're just fumbling around with Git and Python and a game that, let's see, I think it should work now. Yeah, boy. Yeah, here we go. It's nothing special, but... And I think I forgot why we stopped. Why we frozen. Oh gosh. The pressure's on. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see. Did I save? Nah. Oh my gosh. Alright, so that's something I keep having a problem doing is I keep accidentally leaving the tab open for Chrome running, and I push F5 to run the code here, and I accidentally just refreshed Twitch. It's happened like 8 times this stream, and it's annoying. Okay. Why did this no work? It's because I probably added onto somewhere in here. Where did I do that? Oh my gosh, a text message. People talk. Okay, no, that's not important. Not as important as this important science. Slowly and steadily, this will start to come together. No, I know, right? No, it's something simple. Like, I know it is because oh, wait. This. It's this. I think. I'm pretty sure it's that. Literally, it's just this. Fuck my life, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, if this... Oh my gosh, all these tabs. Hold up, let me close, please. Let me close some of this shit. Oh my god. Okay, we're good, we're good. We're good, my dudes. No, don't feel bad. It's a learning experience. And this should have fixed that problem too. There we go. Okay, okay. Yes, exactly. It was the fucking indents. Oh my god. It's the attack of the indents. That's all it is. So you know what? Right now, we are going to commit. Right now. Oh, let's close Audacity. We don't need Audacity anymore. Get your ass out of here. Okay. Get your ass out of here. Okay. Right? Right? Oh my gosh. The attack of the Python, my dudes. Okay, fixed my fuck ups. Okay, fix. I can't type today either. Fixed a preview. Okay, that's what we're just gonna do. Alrighty. Alrighty. Oh, yes. Okay, so... Yes, if you're not using it... Yeah. Okay, so... It's called Wallpaper Engine. It's only like $3 on Steam. And it is... There's so many cool things. I'm just getting off topic here a little bit. But yeah, there's like... You can get all sorts of cool ass different wallpapers. I have 3 screens, so yeah, I could tell you all about this too. Like, they come in there's so many. I like Overwatch, if you couldn't tell. There's so many different things that the community uploads and stuff, so it's really cool. Yeah, it's super cool. It's only like $3 too. It's pretty chill. All right, so you know what? This is working, guys. I might just call it quits here before I fuck something else up. No, I'm gonna change that music though. That is actually a little bit louder than I'm wanting for the beginning. So let's just, oh no. Come on. Okay, here we go. And then we'll just crank that down maybe a little bit. Let's see how that sounds. Why? I don't know, that's playback volume. Does this seem faster to you guys? It feels faster to me. I don't know why, but it's okay. I'm just gonna run it with this. Alright. And yes. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, that sounds better. It's not like blasting in my face anymore. So that's a massive help. Alright, cool. Cool. I like this. It sounds better. Gosh, there still seems to be a little bit of delay though in the sound. I don't know if I like that. It's okay. Dang, it bugs me that I can't do the sound. I really want that sound to work on the last one, but sooner or later. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Next time I'm going to be hopefully doing something in Unreal Engine. I like Unreal Engine. I enjoy Unreal Engine and C++. I enjoy those. And if you haven't already, I've learned a lot from the Chernos series on C++. That man can teach some good C++. So yes, if you're still watching, thank you again. You have educated me a lot. I might be doing gosh, yeah. How long have I been streaming? I've been almost 3 hours, a little over 3 hours. Close to 3.5. I might just call it quits here, my dudes. We got a lot done. We got some sounds up. We got a main menu up. We got difficulty figured out today. It's been a pretty productive day, and the code's kind of sloppy still. I'll have to clean this all up later, but yeah, I think I'm gonna call it quits here for the day, my dudes. I appreciate everybody stopping by, and make sure to follow. I appreciate follows. Yeah, I do more than just game development. Although I'm gonna probably put game development up a little bit more. You know, try and do this a little bit more. So yeah, thanks for stopping by again, and I will catch you guys. I don't know, probably sometime when I'm not extremely stressed with finals. So, thank you, and make sure to follow me on Twitter so you know when I'm going live. So, thanks guys, I appreciate it. I'm out for real now, for real.